Time now for the Midlands Retirement Report. Pat Struby is the founder of Preservation Specialists. For years, we have heard about how low interest rates punish savers. But let's talk, Pat, about the impact on baby boomers who paid high interest rates when they were young, but now they aren't earning much from low interest rates now that they're in retirement.
Yeah, this is a really tough one, Jen, because even though rates are always changing, by historical measures they're low, and that's a really tough thing. Now, low interest rates can be good for some people. So when we're borrowing, if you're locking in a 30-year mortgage at a low interest rate, that's a wonderful thing. But exactly like you said, we real of course we'd like if we want our money safe in retirement, we'd love to get a high interest rate, and it's been a long time since anyone's been able to do that. So the baby boom generation really is that in that most challenging situation. Some of them paid unbelievably high interest rates on mortgages back in the 70s and 80s, like 12 or 15%, and now when they're saving, there's next to nothing. So the main thing is you probably do want some of your money safe in retirement, and it's important to get educated on what some of the other safe options are besides something simple like a bank account.
And you have some great resources where we can learn not only about what's going on with interest rates, but how we can protect our savings and make it last throughout retirement.
That's right, Jen. Our retirement rescue kit has a lot of great information on things like how do you invest in something, find something safe that can actually help you in retirement, but also all other kinds of investing information, how to create your income in retirement that you're not going to outlive, and how do you keep your taxes as low as possible. What we really want to do for our viewers is we want to help give them peace of mind so they can retire with confidence.
Lots of great information there. Thanks, Pat. You can call, click, or text to get Pat's Retirement Rescue Kit. That is this week's Midlands Retirement Report.